Hello, I'm Zoe. In this episode of Drive Go Go, I'll present the new Mercedes A-Class Sedan. Mercedes-Benz is continuing to grow its portfolio. The A-Class Sedan will be launched before the end of the year at the Paris Motor Show. Mercedes listened to their customers and created this new version of the A-Class. The exterior design is given a sporty sedan look by the short overhang in the front and rear, long hood and short trunk lid. The wide wheel arches can receive 16 to 19-inch wheels. The slimlined headlamps, which bring the eyes to the high and muscular belt line, are giving a dynamic style to the car. The rear receives taillights placed in the corners, which are connecting the profile body lines in an elegant way. In option, the rear bumper can integrate a diffuser. The A-Class Sedan exterior has the lowest aerodynamic drag in the world for a production car. The interior was created to bring a new feeling of space in the category. The rear seats area is the roomiest compared to competitor. The sportiness of the outside is echoed by the vents race car look. The design is modern and simple. The buyer will have the choice between 3 displays layout with different screen sizes. Mercedes is giving A-Class owner S-Class technologies. From the base model, you will get the Mercedes-Benz User Experience Info System. This system is made to learn how the user uses his vehicle and adapt to him, increasing the emotional relation with functions such as natural voice control, activated with the command, "Hey Mercedes." The system is also capable to connect to other vehicles and share traffic information, such as emergency braking, ESP activation, or accident message. The A-Class receive also the latest technologies in the driving assistance domain. At its launch, the A-Class Sedan will be available with one petrol engine of 163 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, one diesel engine of 116 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque. Both are coupled with the 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission. Those are the main characteristics. Visit our website to learn more. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. See you soon on Drive Go Go.